How do you find out what the final payout of each order is going to be if you have a wait at the restaurant? How do I know when to back out of an order? It's really about the money. If I know that this order is a $30 order, then I'm not gonna back out of it. But how do you know exactly what this hidden tip is gonna be? If this order has a hidden tip or not, how do you know exactly? So what I do is, I do this all the time. It's fairly quick too. If I gotta sit there and wait for it, I definitely wanna know how much the order is gonna be, and I'm gonna tell you guys how I figure it out. So all you have to do while you're in the order, after you arrived at the store, I always hit arrive at the store. I never tried it before I arrived at the store. I don't know if they'll tell you if you tried it before you arrived at the store. That'd be nice, but I don't think they'll tell you. So I arrived at the store and I text support. You know, you just go, you hit that little circle button in the top, you know, you go down, you go to continue to dash your support. I do the little chat, and then I just text them like, yeah, they told me it's gonna be a long wait for this order. I would like to know the full payout of this order. And then, you know, they'll look at it, they'll figure it out, and they will tell you what the full payout is before you leave the restaurant. So if you don't want to wait, like the other day, I had an order pop up for $6, but it said 12 items. So I thought it was only like 3 miles too. So I figured it was probably a unicorn that falls into all my criteria of being a unicorn with a nice big hidden payout. I get there and it's a sushi spot too, and they tell me it's gonna be at least a 10-minute wait. And I hate when I come in and they just tell me that. They look busy too, so I really didn't want to play around with these guys, and I just text support right away real quick. And they told me that the end payout was gonna be $10.64 or something like that. So I definitely backed out of that order immediately because I was expecting more. They spent over $100, so they didn't tip anything. So I wasn't about to deliver that. I wasn't about to waste my time and wait and deliver that. And right after I backed out of that, I ended up getting a great order like usual. So that's what's up, man. This can definitely be useful if you're sitting waiting for some food to be done. It's good to know what the actual payout is going to be. But don't back out of too many orders, because backing out of orders affects your completion rate. And if your completion rate goes below 80%, then that is grounds for deactivation. And you don't even want to get close to that. I like to keep mine above 85, because you'll mess around and back out of one order and your completion rate will drop 2 or 3%. So I like to keep it above 85 at least. When it gets around 85, I start thinking, getting a little more cautious about what deliveries I accept, because I don't want to have to back out of them. That's why you got to have a blacklist, y'all. A blacklist is just, my blacklist is just a bunch of restaurants that I know always take too long, or that have given me problems over and over. So I just decided to never ever go there unless the money is definitely good enough. Walmart is definitely somewhere I would never go unless it pops up like $60, because as soon as I get there, I know I'm gonna have to wait like an hour to even get this order. You know, grocery orders, in-store pickup, it doesn't matter in my areas. Walmart is terrible for Doordash. Like, it's terrible. Like, in my experience though, I see a lot of people that make all their money off Walmart, and more power to you, man. You got a good Walmart staff over there. That's what's up. But the staffs that I know and just the way that the things work, and it doesn't work out, man. Everybody's trying to order Walmart, so they're really busy with the online orders. It's too much. So I blacklisted them. You know, I blacklisted a couple fast food spots, especially the ones that don't let you come inside, you know, to the point where I just stopped even trying to go to fast food spots. The money's never good enough anyway, so I never go. I do see some decent orders, like, you know, for like $8 and 3 miles and stuff like that, but I'm not even gonna go. I'm not even gonna look at it. I'm gonna wait for better restaurants. You know, I kind of just work off like 5 or 6 restaurants in each area that I work. Those are the only restaurants where the orders are good. So I got a blacklist of all the restaurants that make me wait, because wait time will kill you.
Oh shit, that's embarrassing.
It kills your money. You know, I am kind of impatient too. So you could probably wait a little longer if you wanted to, but it all depends on the money. Like, if it's a $10 order, I don't want to wait at all. You know, if I just picked up a $10 order for a couple miles real quick, I don't want to wait at all. I don't want to wait. For real, I'm trying to make $20 an hour, so I don't want to wait. I want to make at least $20 an hour, y'all. So that's just my standards. You got to do what works for you and blacklist what works for you. You know, if you go there every time and they just give you problems and you're always standing there looking like a fool, waiting on some food, or they always get some food wrong or something, there's always a problem. It's this place out here where I always have a problem. I go inside, and as soon as I get in there, they're like, "Oh, well, it didn't come through on our laptop. Can we can we see the order so I can put it in manually?" And I'm like, "No, I'm about to back out of this order." That's crazy, because then you got to sit and wait for it to get cooked and everything. And then the customer is mad as well, because the longer it takes, you know what I'm saying, you setting yourself up for a bad review if you deliver this food. If you wait for 30 minutes and then deliver this food, even if you kept in contact with people, not all people are nice, cool, understanding people, you know. If you taking 30 minutes to deliver their food, even if it's not your fault, you could get a bad review. And so I just stay away. I like to deliver fast. I like to deliver all the items. I just stay away from all of that. So, but yeah, y'all. So I just wanted to tell y'all that, man, you could definitely text support and let them know, like, hey, I want to know what the full payout is. The restaurant told me that I'll be waiting for a while. Can I know the full payout? And they will tell you the full payout, you know. At first, I didn't really trust them, because the first couple times that I did this, they told me that the payout was my guaranteed pay. You know, it was the same. So basically, there was no hidden tip from what they were talking about. So I kind of experimented with it a little bit, and they seem to be telling the truth to me every time. So it's definitely a way to find out. So that's easy peasy. Hope this was helpful for some of y'all, man. If y'all watched to the end of the video, go ahead and say decline till I die in the comments. If y'all gonna try this, man, put a 1 in the comments. Also, just dropped some new decline till I die gear, man. I got a little hoodie and a shirt and a hat so far, man. I designed it myself too, man. So it's kind of fun, man, doing this. I'll leave the links in the description to where you can go purchase, or, you know, they all online and everything. If you need a catering bag, I got links in the description. I got Doordash sticker links in the description. Some good Doordash stickers, man. I designed those too as well. The ones I designed, I made them super cheap. I'm about to up the price though, but I made them super cheap for now. So jump on them now before I up the price. They super duper cheap right now. I was trying to get some traction on my Etsy shop, man. I'm trying to come in and fuck up the game, take over, man. So let's get it, man. Decline till I die, family. Love my subscribers. If you ain't subscribed yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Let's get it, man. Next video, 10 of my subscribers will have a chance to win $100 at the end of the video. They will all have a chance to win $100. So watch out for my next video. And I'm going to be talking about how to raise your credit with Doordash. How can your DoorDasher raise his credit using Doordash? That's going to be in the next video. So watch out for that. Coming real soon. Let's get it.